Hello my little fairies, welcome back to another reaction video. So today we are going to be reacting to Leatherface, also known as the Texas Chainsaw Massacre Part 3. I am excited for this one because I have no clue what it's about. I heard it was like a reboot kind of to the series. Anyways, Leatherface, without wasting precious time, let's get into Leatherface. Another recap?
Sally Hardesty, her invalid brother Franklin, Night of Terror.
She died.
Healthcare facility in 1977. Included that Leatherface.
So it's a direct sequel to the original movie.
Was in fact an alternate personality of Sawyer's Texas Chainsaw Massacre.
Was only the beginning. Oh. Oh. Oh my god, it's so wet. Oh my god. That is a visual. That is a visual. I see he's still up to his old antics, huh? You idiot. When did this come out? Mid-90s? Late 80s? I don't know.
Stop hiding underneath those things.
That's a nice car.
Ryan, now you sound exactly like my mom.
Yeah, this reminds me a lot of Jeepers Creepers.
Turn it up, we're getting something.
Don't mess with Texas. I will listen to that sign. Cause you go into somewhere you don't belong, you're bound to get killed. Is that the actress that plays Stretch?
Welcome to the red light district.
Damn, that bad.
Roger, I'm coming.
Oh! Oh my god, where are those maggots? I don't do maggots. Oh my. Oh yeah. Those are maggots and worms. Oh, that is so disgusting. That is so disgusting. There's maggots in his mouth. There's maggots in his mouth. I wouldn't be able to do it. There's no way. No fucking way.
Not in front of those news assholes. Should have listened to my old man and went into real estate.
That person has no face.
Looks like a pretty advanced stage of decomposition.
Oh, you guys, I think I'm gonna throw up. It's like shit mixed with chicken broth.
Do you think whoever did that is still around?
Yeah, whoever did that's long gone.
Oh yeah, they're definitely still around. They're looking for their next victims.
Please.
Oh, please don't show it. Please don't show it. Oh, she's gonna put it out of its misery. This is so fucked.
Can't do it.
He said, but I can. R.I.P. little guy. So far, this doesn't seem like a Texas Chainsaw Massacre movie. It feels more like a Hills Have Eyes movie. What the fuck? Oh, something's wrong with him.
See if the bathroom's safe for humans.
After seeing that, man, I would have drove off. There's no way I'm getting gas here. Don't say hi to him. Oh, I don't like this. I don't like this. I don't like this. I don't like this. You see what I mean? You see what I mean?
Hey, get it. I'm gonna service you real good, man.
Ew.
You don't like it?
Okay, please don't look at me.
Get uppity on me.
Whew.
It's alright, man. You ain't giving the lady a hard time now, right? I ain't bothering nobody, mister.
You're acting weird. Don't tell me he's gonna lick the blood.
There's roadkill all over Texas. Natural order thing.
He's probably gonna lick it.
The last thing I saw before I died a happy man.
Okay. He's a charmer, and I don't like that. See, what the fuck is this? Beyond a red flag. Come on, leave.
I'd be glad to buy you both a beer. Whatever you
No,
need.
thank you. We should be going. We should be going.
Sorry, Tex. We're on a pretty tight schedule today.
Yeah. No. Is he gonna peep on her? Oh, no, 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 no. I don't like the flies. I fucking knew it. What a creep.
I'm just trying to get home.
Yeah, I understand you're trying to get home. But listen to me. We can't help you, okay? I'm sorry.
Oh, shit. Ew.
Son of a bitch! I was only looking at her. She liked it. She liked it.
Fucking perv.
Just shut up, stupid.
He's having himself a peekaboo party and use the star.
I think I'm gonna puke.
Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Hurry up.
Folks, I think you better get your car.
Hurry.
Go.
Hurry up.
Go.
I would have ran his ass over. Oh. This is bad. This is very bad. Was that Leatherface? I'm confused.
I thought there was a town around here.
That's what he told me. Would you just slow down? Where's it coming from?
I don't know.
She kind of looks like the actress that plays Nancy from A Nightmare on Elm Street. How the fuck do you know where you're going?
He's gaining on us! Oh my god, what do they want from us?
Want your life. Oh! This is definitely giving Jeepers Creepers.
Oh, it hit us.
If the car is still running, please get back into it and drive off.
Now we gotta change this tire and get out of here.
Oh, their tires out.
Fucking lose my mind!
Why do you yell at her like that?
I'll take care of him.
What?
Hear that?
Oh.
Hurry up. That truck
This has me nervous. This has me nervous. Too dark. Too dark. Too dark.
No, it doesn't.
What the
So I
fuck?
could use a little light down here, please. It's gonna have to do. Let's hit it.
Oh my god! Hurry! Oh my god, 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 that was close, that was close. Hurry, 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 drive, 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 drive. Either back up or drive forward. There you go, there you go. Knock him out. Okay, drive, 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 drive. Are you fucking kidding me? It decides to be stuck now? Hurry!
Yes! You got our trunk.
Who cares? Keep driving. I wouldn't stop. I wouldn't stop.
Pull this car over so I can fix the goddamn tire.
Stop yelling at her.
All right.
He's pissing me off. That's a trap. That's a trap. We're fucked. We're fucked.
Take it easy. Take it easy. You're gonna be okay.
So far, I don't know how to feel about this movie. Like, it's good, but I'm expecting more.
The guy with a chainsaw.
You saw what?
A guy with a chainsaw.
Sounds like he just a few quarts shy of a full tank. You know what I mean? Hold still. Hold still.
There's a bunch of guys.
Are you trying to say I'm crazy?
Yeah, I know. And chainsaws. Right, I hear you, man.
You better listen to him.
Okay, take it easy.
We gotta move. They might find us.
People are serious.
Yes.
Do you see this?
Big saw.
Chainsaw.
Tex, did you see him up there?
No, I couldn't see nothing except your headlights.
What did you give us?
Painkillers. Might make you a little sleepy.
What? Are you nuts? We have got to move.
Painkillers don't do that.
I can handle this.
I've never heard that. Painkillers do not put you to sleep or get you tired. Okay.
Glad you came along. My Jeep in this car, we had an accident.
Sir.
I didn't know that.
Oh.
Girl, get your ass up.
Right side up.
Well, what do you think all these fucking flares are for, stupid?
Not you calling me stupid.
Yeah. Thanks a lot, buddy.
Yeah. You made it so obvious. Hey, you gotta stay prepared, right? Hurry! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god! Stupid bastard. Oh my god! Oh shit. There you go. Throw him on the chainsaw. Oh, he's gonna get that, he's gonna get that, he's gonna get that, he's gonna get that. Oh. Now that's just cheating.
Here! You want me, not him!
Okay. And I gotta admit, this movie's a bit confusing. Who is this girl?
Who the hell are you?
Exactly what I said.
What's going on?
Care to explain? Oh, that looks bad.
I'm sorry.
Is it bad that I missed the campiness of the sequel? Because this one's a bit boring. Not gonna lie.
We just and some worries that tasted like they've been thrown up.
She has lost her goddamn mind. Here he comes. Oh, you're dead. What? Honestly, she did that to herself. I would have stayed with that man. Run! God, these characters are so stupid. Oh my god. Girl, just let him go. He's dead. He's dead. Do you want to die too? Ooh. Honestly, never cared for him. I don't think this is the home you want to be going to. Creepy little girl. Is she dumb? Oh, kill her now. Kill her now. This is obviously a trap. Sally. See? Evil little gremlin. I knew he was up to no good. I knew it.
You know you're late.
Ha 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 ha. It's so funny teaching this child to kill. Oh my god. Is he nailing her hands? Oh no, I don't like that.
More little nails if you don't stay put.
Why are you doing this?
Why even ask? Nosferatu back at it again.
Can't you stop this?
I think she's a leader, man.
You best shut up or I'll do your tongue first.
Oh, that is sick. Look at this bitch over here laughing. Oh, can you imagine the pain?
You got some dark meat coming in too, Mama.
Don't tell me they're gonna skin him.
Well, Junior's been getting out of hand lately. You might even learn something. Ain't that right, Mama?
Look at him flossing his teeth.
Looks to me like she might go all screamy on us, eh?
I wish you'd call me and text.
How about we call you Psychopath? It's a better name.
This is still kid.
He's still alive?
Yippee-yi-hey.
Thank you.
Sick family. Ooh, he better survive. Ew. Oh my god.
We're gonna go down below. Is it soup yet?
What do you want? Okay. She doesn't like your music.
Hey, you in here.
Ew.
Got something special for you.
What's with him and the licking?
Comes every damn thing.
Not gonna lie. It's a pretty nice chainsaw. Oh. Honestly, that's what he gets. Oh my god. Kill him. Just kill him.
Big hole.
Why are you waiting? Just do it.
I know you?
Like, you obviously know he's a killer. Kill him.
How many big thick fucks like you are there out here? What's wrong?
Come on, just one bullet. One bullet to the face.
What are you people doing out here?
Some sick shit. Oh, I would have shot him for that. Surprised the mirror didn't crack. Yeah, you're looking rough. Alphabet soup.
Please choose
A clown. Food. I guess if you met Pennywise, he would have directly said, food. Ew. The fuck is so funny?
The next one's mine. Let me do it.
Little girl, get out of here.
I don't see why not.
It's like teaching a kid how to ride a bike, but instead of riding a bike, killing. Oh!
Mental institution. Crazy. Bitch needs straight jacket.
You go get washed up for supper now.
Ew.
What we need now is a good mess of greens.
Greens to go along with your fucking human meat.
He does make the sweetest damn baby.
Ew.
Junior likes them private parts.
Leave her alone. Leave her
He
alone.
knows what to do with them parts.
Oh, this is fucking sick.
I did.
Lipstick. Oh, she's an evil bitch. They're all evil bitches. Meanwhile, Grandpa's deteriorating. There you go. Oh! Good. Careful not to shoot her now. Oh! Good, good, good. You have to. Oh, yeah. I would have done the same thing. Stab him! Damn him, yes! Why are you stopping her? Run! Oh, this is making me mad. Why aren't you running? Oh!
You and me then, huh? You sick.
She has lost her mind. Okay. This is what I'm talking about. Give me camp. Shut up and die. I'm confused. I thought she was gonna fight him. Oh shit. Oh! Come on! Oh, he has a lighter! He has a lighter! Come on, the lighter, the lighter! Yes! Oh, yes! Burn! Run. I like this fight scene. Especially with it being in the water. Oh, look at the chainsaw. No, 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 I want to die! No! Keep going, yes! There you go. Why isn't he going down? He ain't dead. I'm actually really happy she survived.
No! No!
Hey, it's me. It's me.
What? How are you alive?
Come on, this guy.
Oh! I fucking knew it. Get the gun. Yes, yes. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Blow his ass away. Oh, come on. He's behind you. He's behind you. Girl, I'm gonna need you to stretch. I'm going. Just shoot. Oh my god.
Backwoods motherfucker.
Boom. Yes. I would have given him another shot. Okay, she's too slow for my liking. Hurry up. Is that it? See, I knew it. I knew it. Okay, motherfuckers, that was Leatherface, The Texas Chainsaw Massacre Part 3. I am mixed about this movie, I gotta say. Like, I like it, but I also hate it. In a sense where I feel like the first half of the movie was slow and boring, whereas the second half was just non-stop bonkers. The kills were great, the scares were great, the characters were infuriating, but overall the movie was alright. It wasn't like, oh my god, you know what I mean? Anyways, Leatherface, if you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time with another reaction. Bye.